I'm Allie with Good Medicine. Welcome to this video about getting started with Good Medicine. We are super excited that you're here because that means either you've gotten started with Good Medicine or you're about to. I'm going to start telling you a few things that you need to know about Good Medicine when you get started. And we're going to really focus on our starter sets, which is the way that we recommend that you get started. That way you get a whole set that's curated by condition: dry skin, mature skin, acne prone skin, and then you get to fall in love with whatever products work the best for you, and you get that opportunity to use them for a month or two, because you don't just fall in love on the first date, right? So this is what we've got. This is the Rainmaker set that I've got out here right now. It comes in this cute bag. There are a few things you need to know when you get started with Good Medicine and just in general transitioning to clean skincare. Number one, what is unique about Good Medicine is that all of our products are designed and formulated to be blendable. You can create a more hydrating night cream, for instance, and you can create a moisturizing and detoxifying mask, for example. Number two, when you transition to clean skincare, sometimes your skin needs some time to adjust and detox. Number three, Good Medicine works with your body's natural systems to heal and rejuvenate your skin. Okay, let's talk about blending. Really, with ingredients this good, you can't go wrong. If I wanted to mix those two together and just make it more hydrating, that would be an amazing treatment. The Honeydew Youth Nectar blends really well with the Electric Sky Universal Elixir. Just a couple drops in your palm of each, rub it together, pat on your face. The Starry Eyes Eye Cream blends really well with the Rain. I like to blend it with Electric Sky. Clarity blends really well with Ashes and Honeydew for a hyperpigmentation treatment. Examples of things that you can do. A basic skincare routine with the Rainmaker set would be to cleanse with the oil cleanser. Once or twice a week, exfoliate with the sand. After I cleanse and or exfoliate, then I'm going to do a honeybee mask. This is a really nourishing, hydrating mask. I actually like to do the toner before and after the mask, because what our toners do is signal to the skin that it's time to receive nourishment. And so you signal to your skin that it's time before and then again after, because then you're going to use your elixirs. So then you're going to use your honeydew, and this is just like superfood for your skin. The Electric Sky, this contains activated oxygen, literally breathes new air into your skin. And then your Clarity face cream. If you want to, you can add some Electric Sky, you can add some Rain for a little heavier moisturizing at night even. And then you're going to finish off with your Starry Eyes Eye Cream, just tapping that in around the eyes. And there is your quick routine. Like I said, all of these are meant to be blended, so you can experiment with those. Okay, let's talk about transitioning from chemical-y skincare to clean, luscious ingredients like Good Medicine. Sometimes, it's pretty rare, but sometimes when people transition, their skin will become reactive. Give your skin time to adjust and just go strictly with your Rain Replenishing Oil Cleanser. This can be a cleanser, it can be a moisturizer, and just going to Rain is going to calm everything and bring everything back into balance so that you can then start adding things in. Just because our skin being subjected to so many chemicals and things that are in other skincare, sometimes it just needs that adjustment period, and it needs to be just detoxed and brought into the clean skincare space gently and, well, gently. Your skin is smart and it already has everything it needs to be get out of its way and bring it back into balance. Disclaimer, I'm not a chemist. Where your skin is happiest is at its natural pH, its ideal pH. pH stands for potential hydrogen, which is used to describe the acid-alkaline ratio of a substance. The health of your body and skin is directly linked to your pH balance. Don't worry, I'm done talking about it. What you really need to know is that your skin already has what it needs to be healthy and glowing. You just gotta give it the good stuff that will allow it to come back into balance. Here's the good news. You don't need to fix your pH. You just need to give your skin what it needs to come back to its natural pH. Good Medicine Skincare does this by drawing on centuries of ancient wisdom and combining that with modern technology and science to work with your body and your skin holistically so that it can be allowed to come back to its natural, self-sufficient, healthy state. All of our products and ingredients are bioavailable, which means that your body already knows exactly what to do with them. Each of our formulas will strengthen and enliven your skin's natural resilient qualities and result in glowing, healthy skin. We just want to say welcome to the Good Medicine